Thunk3D was founded in 2008 and is located in Beijing. With geographic advantages and 12 years of experience in R&D and project modeling, we developed far more than peers in hardware design and image fusion technology. We moved on to create our Shenzhen branch in 2019 for mass production and combined the advantages of China's north and south. We received our ISO 9001, CE, FCC and own 12 software copyrights, which give an insight about our consistent history and reliable quality. Thunk3D focuses on surface-structured light imaging. Our products are widely admired for high accuracy and fantastic details by our clients based in 15 countries. The positive feedbacks from them are numerous. With more than 10 years development, we saw and experienced the successful applications of 3D scanning in agriculture, industry, CNC, education, dentistry, aesthetics, aerospace, and so on. And the cases by refitting our products in scientific research are also countless, so we have decisively changed the discourse resource in China's 3D scan industry. Now Thunk3D stands as a symbol of high efficiency and profession. We are constantly working to increase the accuracy and wider applications of our products. Thunk3D works by several principles. Foremost, industry-leading product quality, loyalty to our customers and showing respect and making contributions to the global digital 3D modeling development.